Yeah, okay, so your keyboard typing skills is very weak and you actually want to improve it. Then don't screw. This video is for you. So before, this is how I used to type when using my keyboard. But now, I've been able to type correctly and improve my typing skills. Get closer. Let me show you the secrets. So you open your browser and you search for this website, zty.pe. Now this website is kind of fun because you type correctly to shoot words. Second, open your browser and search for KUIBR. Now this website actually helps increase your typing speed. So I want you to be consistent with these two methods and trust me, you become a pro in less than a month. Like this video and follow the page for more.